If you want better skin in 30 days, which is not very long, you do not need a 10-step routine. You just need consistency, the right fundamentals, and to stop working against your skin. And also, the very last thing is not a product, but it is probably one of the most important things you can do for your skin and your health. So make sure you stick around to the end to find out. I'm Jordan Harper, board certified nurse practitioner, founder and CEO of a results-driven skincare brand called Barefaced, rooted around the philosophy less but better. So I'm not trying to get you to do more for your skin. Truly, less can be better. I release a new video every single week. So if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And these are the 5 things that actually move the needle in a month. Let's get into it. Number 1, and this isn't like that exciting of a step, but it's really, really important. A double cleanse. At night only. In the morning, you don't need this. You need to use a oil-based cleanser like a cleansing balm or cleansing oil, or use a micellar water. This is your first cleanse. It's going to get the day off. Your makeup, your SPF, the pollution from the day. Your second cleanse works on the skin. And this is what I see so many people do wrong. They, cleanse, or they're using a makeup wipe, or they're cleansing in like 10 seconds. No, cleansing in the double cleanse is actually probably going to take the longest out of everything you do. And so I would say your first cleanse is maybe going to take 30 seconds. And your second cleanse, here's where you can make the biggest mistake, is you not using your second cleanse long enough. Really got to get in there, and you don't need any devices. All you need is your hands. You get it in the hairline, you get and kind of like the corners here. You're getting all over the face, and you're going to give yourself at least 30 seconds, 60 even, to fully cleanse the skin. And the way that you know if the skin is clean is if you use a toner or a toning pad afterwards. And if you're still seeing makeup or residue on that toning pad, you have not properly cleansed the skin. And this is essential. So many people are like, this step isn't that exciting, and they're just kind of like skimping over it. And it's such a miss. And your skin, your pore size can look smaller. Your skin is going to look healthier just by properly cleansing the skin, which you're going to choose a cleanser that works for your skin. If you're more dry, you're going to choose a gentle cleanser. If you're oily, acne prone, you're going to choose a cleanser targeted towards those concerns. So this is number 1, very, very important. It is a necessity to also get your other products to be more effective. So you've got to do it. Otherwise, you're not even getting the most out of the products that you apply after. So double cleanse. Second is exfoliation. This is where there's a balance, right? You don't want to overdo it. There's gentle daily exfoliants, or there's deeper exfoliants. I love a gentle daily exfoliant, but just because it's mindless. I don't have to think did I do this 2 days ago? Did I do this one? When did I do this? A gentle daily exfoliant for most skin types you can use daily. We have a product at Barefaced called toning pads, and I just mentioned them, but if you're using your toning pads and you use them after cleansing and they're still dirty, then you need to go back to make sure your face is properly cleansed. What an exfoliant is going to do for your skin is going to get off the dead, dull skin cells. It's going to help the other products that you use in your routine penetrate more effectively, because products are not going to work on dead, dull skin. It's going to help wash out the pores. It's going to help reduce redness. It is going to give your skin a glow, especially when you pair it with the next step, which I'll tell you shortly. It's going to give you a glow that your skin is just going to instantly look more healthy. The third hack is to make sure you're using an antioxidant. I love a vitamin C serum. L-ascorbic acid is the most well-researched antioxidant, and the effect and the glow it can have on the skin is second to none. This is something you're going to use in the morning, and you can also use it at night to encourage collagen production, but especially in the morning because it's going to help protect against environmental damage. It can also boost the efficacy of your sunscreen. This is a must in your routine, and the combo of your exfoliant with your antioxidant layered on top of it is chef's kiss. People will be like, your skin looks so glowy. You're like, thank you. These are my 5 hacks. So make sure you're using a vitamin C or another antioxidant if you have trouble tolerating vitamin C's. This is going to lead to visible improvement in the skin. Number 4, this is not that exciting, okay? But it is essential. Consistent use of daily SPF. Now, this is something that I always say, if you're not willing to wear a daily SPF, then you might as well not invest in any other skincare. That's how important it is. Because if you're not protecting the skin against consistent damage that you're gonna get every single day, then everything else is a waste. No amount of skincare can undo sun exposure. So you're just working against yourself if you're not committed to using a daily SPF. Find one that you like and use it every single day. Okay, so the last one is not a product, but this is something that I'm also personally working on too. Sleep. It is so essential to repair and recovery, and the skin repairs itself as we sleep. The optimal times, research has shown, are 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. for the skin to repair itself. So this is essential to get adequate sleep. Beauty sleep is a real thing. Supporting the skin barrier and prioritizing rest can actually do such wonders for the skin. So let's not sleep on the fact that sleep is super important to have healthy skin. These 5 things work because you're addressing the basics of skin biology. You're boosting cellular turnover. You're getting rid of the dead, dull skin cells on the surface of the skin. You're protecting the skin with SPF. You're reducing inflammation. You're preventing future damage, and you're letting the skin barrier recover. That combination is what creates a visible change in 1 month. Skincare does not have to be complicated to be effective, and you do not have to use a million products. You need the fundamentals, you need to use them consistently, and you need to give your skin time to recover and repair. And it does that at night. So your AM routine is about prevention and protection, and your PM routine is about repair and correction. Everything works together, and when you focus on the fundamentals and you stay consistent, results will follow. If you want results in 30 days, start here and let me know, because I know you're gonna see changes in your skin. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them below. See you next week.